In today's video, I want to walk you through a successful Google ad campaign from a plumbing client that has generated 54 leads in the last 30 days. Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClicksGeek. Before we get started, if you can please click the thumbs up below, I would greatly appreciate that. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more awesome videos. Now let's dive into this campaign. We're going to be reviewing this from a 30-day window. As I mentioned, it is a plumbing client. We have a current budget of $833 per day set. It has received 166 clicks. It has a conversion rate of 32.5%, so that's a solid conversion rate there. We have 54 leads or conversions, and then we have a total cost per lead of $100.93, and then we have a overall cost for those 30 days of $5,450.16. Now on this campaign, we're driving both calls and lead generation form. So the consumer has the option to click the call from a mobile device, or they can call from a landline, the number that's actually on the landing page itself, or they have the option to fill out the application on the page, and then all that's sent back into the campaign here. Let's take a look at the ad groups that we're using. All right, so here are the ad groups that we're using. Plumber, SCAG, which means single keyword ad group. Plumbers near me, plumbing repair, Marietta Plumber. So that would be a geo-targeted ad group. Water leak repair, Atlanta Plumber, another geo-targeted. And then those are the ones that are driving the majority of the conversions currently. So what we basically have here is inside of each one of these, like plumbers near me, we'll have closely related keywords that would be categorized inside of here. And then on down to the actual ad itself, we have the same, like the similar verbiage that is written into the ad itself. And then we have a target CPA of $98.02 currently set for this campaign. Let's take a look at the keywords that we're using. All right, so as you can see here, we are using both phrase match and exact match. We have plumber, plumbers, plumber near me, plumbers near me, plumber Marietta. If you're interested in having our company build a successful campaign like this one for your plumbing company, please reach out to us by using the application link down in the description below. That's all that I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.